Hey everybody, it's Neil. I'm gonna check out this smart watch. It is a little fitness, says your fitness tracker. So it's your fitness tracker. It's my fitness tracker. Okay, let's check this out here. See how it looks and how it works. So here you can see it comes with a traditional old school band. Here is the device. Let me peel off plastic cover. There we go. So this is what it looks like. Looks like a clear one there. It comes with its own little proprietary kind of charging cable looks like it connects up through the magnets on the back of it here. Yes, it will magnetize onto the back. So that's how you'll charge it each evening. And then it comes with a manual here of setting it all up. So this is it here. It looks ominous, but the top section here is the English part. Everything else is another language. So it says to scan the barcode. So we're gonna set this thing up here for you and we'll show you guys how it works. Let me aim you down a little bit so you can kind of see a little bit of what I'm doing. Camera. And let's see what happens when we hear. So it's opening up the app right now, the Have a Fit one. And let me see, how do I do it on an iPhone or an iPad? I have an iPad here. Let me see if I can just find it on the iPhone. It brought up a Google Play Store one, and I'm not sure what to do with that. What's it called? H-Band. H-B-A-N-D. So we have an it has an H-Band app. So it says H-Band Health and Fitness, and it is loading and it is opening. Okay. Allow, agree. Okay, so now it wants to sign up. So I will sign up. Oh, I guess I have to enter my email and stuff, so one sec. Okay, I'm gonna go sign up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got it set up. So now I just created an account. So now I'm gonna go to my birthday. I'm old, so I gotta do a lot of scrolling, and I am, what am I, 5? Okay, yeah. Up, now I have to do my weight, and I can do it in imperial. So what is my weight? My weight is, let's see, really fat today. Okay, let's just say there, and let's say I am 5'10". There. Oops, I put 7'10" for my height. Okay, let's just do this here. Okay, so let's see, it's about to find devices. So let's say allow, and I guess we're gonna have to turn this on somehow, probably holding it down. Yes, so here we go. So now it's set for here. It says scanning equipment. Let's see what it's, I didn't push the button to scan it. Okay, so now it should be scanning for it. And it found it. Pair. Oh, it'll give me notifications on all my apps. How cool is that? Okay, so allow to receive notifications. Okay, confirm. Okay, I'll turn on all my health settings for it. Okay, so now it looks like I am set up for it. So I have no workouts or anything like that yet. Let me see if there's any settings here I can do. Well, I don't know, but it looks like it's pretty cool. Let me see if I swipe. I can swipe up. I'll take it off so you guys can see what I'm doing here. So as I swiping up, I can see there's notification settings here. I can I swipe to different things? I can swipe down and then I can see like my heart rate, my different things there, vibration and disabled. I don't want to disable stuff, but I have all these different settings that I can do. I'm not even sure what all these are. What's the eye? Oh, I can change my watch face, I guess, from to make it look like something cooler, I guess. I don't know. I thought it looked fine. Okay, so now we have it look like this. So we got all sorts of different settings on here. Screen display, health monitor, switches. So really, basically it does everything that a whole smartwatch should do. So you've got all your different settings, and you can swipe up and down, swipe left and right for different things. And you can set your workouts. So I can set my workout when I go for a run. So I can swipe here, that was to the left. So I swipe to the left, and I can just say, I wanna do a workout, I'm gonna do a running or cycling. And then I can do an outdoor cycle, and then it will record my cycling. So there, now I'm recording my cycling run, my cycling event. So pretty cool. I like the way it does all this stuff. And then at night, I just go and charge it, and I'm good to go. And it's gonna give me all my notifications for, it looks like my calls, my notifications for my messages and everything. So pretty cool. It's a whole smartwatch. You can see it's lighting up on the back. It's probably checking my pulse. But very cool, nice watch for sure. So if you need a smartwatch, this one here seems nice and durable and stuff. It's nice, a thin one. It's not so big and bulky like some of the other ones. So really cool, I like it. Thumbs up.